Hi, and welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to unbox the Sanitaire EON Allergen Vacuum Cleaner. It's a vacuum cleaner with special filters to filter out more of the allergens in your environment. All right, let's cut the tape. And here it is. Here's part of the hose and the handle. And it looks like this is the body. And the cord. Oh, and this is the cleaning head. Let's see if I have a little more room here. And the bags and the instructions. So let's unbag this menagerie and put it together. Maybe it's menagerie, who knows? One of you knows. I don't, I'm too old to know. Okay, there's our cleaning head. This bag is certainly big enough. And our cord. The body and the hose with the handle. Okay, let's try to figure out how this goes together. And if I looked, you can see there's a hole right here that goes right over top of this, and a plug here. Maybe I should turn it around so you can see it. This plugs into this part of the cleaning head. And that should be in with that nice snap. Next, the hose. We'll turn this around so you can see a little bit better. Of course, then I can't see too well, but we'll give it a whirl here anyway. I'm going to guess that this goes this way and fits in. We have to really push in forward and then it snaps in place. Oh, there's an attachment. Then this part goes over here and snaps in place. And then the handle simply goes down here. There's a lock for the handle in the back. So once you have the handle completely in, just push that down and then it'll lock up there. And then here, I'm going to need the scissors here. They tape this one. There we go. The electric cord gets plugged in there. Okay, this is to wrap the electric cord. So you pop it down in place here, and then once I get the electric cord attached, it can be wrapped around the hook on the handle and this down here. Okay, I better watch what I'm doing here. Unwind the twist ties. Oops. I'll plug it in and then snap it in place here. There we go. We have two accessories here. We have there's a little brush part here and a nook and cranny tool. And they just snap right in the other way. There. So you can't ever lose them unless you don't put them away. Right here is where the HEPA filter is located. When your HEPA filter gets dirty, all you have to do is push down on this button and then remove the filter, rinse it under water, get it as clean as possible, leave it dry out. When it's completely dry, pop it back in and then put the door back on. When the bag is full, simply pull out on the release here, squeeze in the top of the bag, and get a new bag and pop it back in. Making sure the bag stays inside the machine. How about we plug it in and give it a whirl? Here are a few extra features on this vacuum cleaner. To pick this vacuum cleaner up, you want to put your hand here and transport it this way. This is so that you don't affect the connection between the handle and the body of the machine, so that doesn't loosen up and then the vacuum cleaner wouldn't work. Another added feature to keep your cord up off of the floor is this little hook, and you just put the cord up here and snap it in place, and that helps keep the cord from running underneath your vacuum cleaner. Of course, this pedal here is when you're ready to go, you just press it down and it relaxes back. On the other side of the machine, we turn around, we can see a few more things. Here is a light that will come on if they want you to check the brush roll. When the bag's full or the machine's clogged, there's a light that's going to come on here. If you need to check the brush roll, here is a button to press for the brush roll release. Back here, if there is a clog in the machine and it's not in the body or in the head, you can pop this open and then the offending article is probably right there. And then here it keeps the brush roll a height adjustment for the brush roll. So that goes from 1 for floors to 4 for high carpets. And they say for floors, keep it at 1. For carpets, start at 2. If it's hard to push, then go to 3. If it's still hard to push, then go to 4. So we're going to start with it on the carpet at number 2. Oh, one other added feature before I forget is this part here. You can just detach while the machine is running and pick up something that's in a crevice or up high. And then that just goes right back in. Remember to push up on it, and then your machine's ready to go again. So let's get to work. I don't know if you can see it, but that did a super job. When you start the motor, it rolls itself forward, and then you pull it back and it will roll itself forward again. So I'm not sure what you call that, but it gets going. I've had some lawnmowers like that too, and they were easy to push. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.